6.2. 6.2 magnitude, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. It's shaking. It's shaking. Can you see? Everything is shaking, guys, here. 6.2. Oh my god. Oh my god, Lord help me. My son is in the school. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, it's shaking. Oh my god, look at this my plants. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's 6.2 here. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, it's still shaking. Oh my god, my son goes school. Can you see, guys, how it is, see, the water. It is still shaking until now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Help me, Lord. Oh my God. Thank you. Na, for sure there is aftershock pa. Oh my God. I was doing my live stream and ran away here in my stream room because I received a notice that there is a 6.2 magnitude earthquake here. Oh my god. My son. Aftershock, guys. Look at that water. See, still shaking. So after a few minutes, there is aftershock. So now I am waiting for my son to come back home because today is first day of school and he is in the school already. See, it's moving, right? So I need to take care here, guys.